Okay, in this video we'll give you a short demo of some of the group management features that are available in the new Open Reaction Database Reaction Editor. So this little side panel here gives you access to your groups, and if you want to get to the management features, you just highlight over here and you'll get the gear symbol which you can click on. You see here, this will list every person which has access to the group with their permissions. At the moment it's just me. I'm an admin. You can see here, what does an admin mean? Admin can do anything with the data. Most users will probably be put in as an editor. That means they can do the sort of dataset level functions. They can create datasets, create reactions. What they can't do is delete whole datasets, and they can't add in additional people into the group. And there's a lower level of permissions again, which is the viewer, and the viewer can only read datasets. They can't do any edits to them. Okay, so you can access that information from this link here. Okay, so let's add a new person here. Now they must already have an account in the Open Reaction Database. So if they've not done so already, ask them to go and sign up, and then tell you what identifier they've used to sign up. So they will either sign up with an email address, a Google account, or a ORCID account. So you need either an email address or an ORCID. Those are the two tags we can use to add people. So I have another account on here separately against my ORCID ID, so I can come here and I can paste that in there, and I go add user, and it goes, there, it found me. Okay. If the user doesn't exist, it will tell you the user doesn't exist. So simple as that. You can add the user, and then you can change their permissions here. So this person here can be an editor only. That's it. Let's say you want to delete them, you can also remove them there. You need to have at least one admin in the group though, so it's, if I want to hand over ownership, I can turn this account here into an admin, and then I can remove this other account. I don't want to do that just here. So that is basic group management.